us at Lubec, Maine. We're gonna stay there tomorrow. Tonight, the tide is out. And that's the Campobello Peace Bridge. Or FDR Bridge. Lubec, Maine. Fog is rolling in. She's telling us it doesn't freeze at night. It's winter. There's a seal right near Big Sow. We made it. Timed it just right. 3 hours before high tide. To the button. Days and days of planning. Whirlpool is building. High moon. It's been a full moon 3 days ago. There goes the ferry from Deer Island back to Campobello. And across we have Eastport, Maine. Right across there is East Point, Maine. They're called little piglets. You can definitely see that little whirlpool. Okay, so the falls are going this way. At some point it levels out and it's not much to look at and boats can pass through here. And then the flow goes the other way. We're at very low tide right now. St. John, New Brunswick. Okay, here we are. Now it's going uphill. This is Dixon Falls in Fundy National Park. Very green. Craig is golfing. Beautiful course. Oh, a little crab! Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a baby crab. These are the mud flies. Oh, yes. Craig, we're at the tide is really low when it comes in. So this is the tidal bore. Water rushing into the Charlotte River. The tide is coming in. Craig's not going to move. What we have here is the Minas Basin. This big old sandbar. When we come back, we'll be in a different spot. Like the water's almost covering his feet. That's only a matter of like 30 seconds. Literally, we were standing here and 5 minutes later we had to move.
Forward. Oh, forward. Forward. Hey, ho. 1, 2. Is that good? Whoa.
Whoops.
You all right?
Yeah. Yeah, we should have had our goggles, eh, Craig?
Yeah.
We're at Fort Anne in the Annapolis Valley. This is a bastion type fort. The man at the garden said that this area was fought over. This is the basin where the Native Americans were, and it's just really quite lovely. They even do wine around here. Board the ferry inside of Digby. Heading out of Digby on the Fundy Rose.
Wow.
These are salmon farms. Making a turn. So we're looking at the different colors of water, the brown and the blue mixing, the muddy waters of the Bay of Fundy with the clear waters out in the middle. This is Digby Neck, where there's supposed to be a lot of good whale feeding activity.